Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll dive into WooCommerce integration. With WooCommerce integration in BoldDesk, you can automatically link customer orders to support tickets and quickly resolve issues without switching between platforms. This also improves response time and customer satisfaction and enables easy order cancellation and refund claims within BoldDesk. But before connecting WooCommerce to BoldDesk, you need to get the consumer key and consumer secret from WooCommerce. You can generate your own credentials from WooCommerce settings by logging into your WordPress account. Check out the link in the description for detailed instructions. Now let me show you how to connect WooCommerce to BoldDesk in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the admin module in your BoldDesk account. Then scroll down and select Marketplace. You can find WooCommerce by searching here. Then open the WooCommerce integration page and click Install. A pop-up will open, where you should enter the store name, URL, consumer key, and secret, and click Verify and Continue. The Permissions tab controls who can read, modify, and use applications based on roles and brands. Additionally, select a target module for adding the WooCommerce application and click Save to complete the integration. Next, click the Add Store option to add multiple WooCommerce stores. Additionally, you can edit, delete, or deactivate the existing WooCommerce store if needed. If a store is deactivated, you will not receive new customer support requests from that store, which is great for seasonal businesses. Once the WooCommerce app is installed, you can view customers and order information on the ticket, contact, and chat module based on your configuration choices. To view WooCommerce details on a ticket, open a ticket. Click the Apps section in the right sidebar and open the WooCommerce app. Then select the desired store to view its details. BoldDesk also empowers WooCommerce users to initiate the order cancellation with the refund process. However, a refund can only be initiated if the order has not been delivered yet. To cancel an order, select the order and click Cancel Order. BoldDesk facilitates the refund process for WooCommerce. If the customer has not made payment for the order, the Refund Order button is disabled. To initiate a refund, select the store in the WooCommerce tab, then click Refund Order and the number of items to be refunded. You can also partially refund individual items or quantities. Additionally, you can select the Shipping Refund option to return the shipping fees. That is how useful and easy it is to use the BoldDesk WooCommerce integration. Hit the like button if you find this video useful and subscribe to our channel for more feature updates. Thanks for watching.